I would definitely consider space food as its own cuisine. On Earth, a cuisine is created when people from a region use generations of wisdom to flavor, to prepare, and preserve the food. And because of unique challenges we're facing for space food, like we need to meet the safety standard, we need to meet the nutritional standard, and the food need to be able to work with a microgravity environment, I think we formed our own cuisine. My name is Shilei Wu. I'm a food scientist by training, working in the Space Food System Laboratory. We create and produce space food for various space programs. I'm the food system manager, so I work with our team and also our counterparts outside of the food lab to ensure timely delivery of the space food to support International Space Station and very soon Artemis 2 mission. Many people, when they hear space food, they will feel like yuck. But actually, many of our food products taste pretty good, despite that they need to be low sodium and also need to meet the safety requirement. They're actually tasting pretty good. Food consideration goes into what recipes to create. First of all, we want the food to be tasting good. If the food not tasting good, then no crew member would want to eat that. And secondly, we also want to bring nutritional benefits to crew members. So we're looking at what's already available in the current food system and what's lacking. My favorite part of this job is really to serve a large purpose, that I'm part of the effort to support human space exploration so that one day we can go back to the moon and one day we're gonna make our presence on the Mars. As we're preparing for those longer exploration missions, we're in the process to evaluate the shelf life because for the longer exploration mission, it needs longer shelf life. Right now for International Space Station, we're targeting 3-year shelf life. For Mars mission, we're targeting 5 to 7 years shelf life. So our food scientists are working to see what approach we can put in to ensure the food will still be good and nutritious 5-7 years after. Microgravity creates its own unique challenges, salt and pepper. At home, that's just on our table, salt, pepper shaker. So those crumbs, they could just float. On Earth, they just fall onto the table, fall onto the ground. In microgravity, they can get into equipment, mess with equipment. Therefore, we have to dissolve the salt in water and send this as a liquid salt for them to be used in the microgravity environment. I become interested in food science. 2 reasons. One is when I need to determine which major to choose, I find it's very difficult because I like multiple disciplines. I love physics, I love chemistry, I like biology. It's a hard time. At the same time, there was a big scandal broke out in China. Many baby infant formula companies, they adulterated the formula with a chemical that actually could cause kidney stone and kidney damage. That's kind of the trigger that I realized I want to study more about food safety, and then food science happened to be the discipline that involved multiple different disciplines in that process. I have never thought about landing a job at NASA because I was born and raised in China as a first-generation immigrant. Being able to work at NASA is something for me like too good to be true. I don't consider myself very smart. I'm very hardworking, and I think it's important to discover what is your true interest, your true passion, what subject do you love the most, and then connect this to a career that is making contribution to the society. If you run into some issues and doubt yourself to be the right fit for the STEM field, my advice to you would be, it's okay to have a difficult time. Give it a try, give it a shot. Because as long as you work hard enough, you will find out what you're truly fit for. Don't doubt yourself. You don't know what's your true potential. Go explore, go test it out.